Hi, Doug here. So I learned something fun to do with this old adding machine. Now, this thing was built 100 years ago as of next year, and it was only built to do addition. So if I reset it here, you see it's all zero. So if I want to add 1 to 1, you get 2. If I want to take 5 plus 5, 10. So simple. That's the way addition works. We all know that that's simple. Let's say you want to do subtraction. You have to use these smaller numbers here, the co-digit numbers. So let's say I have 10 down here, and I want to subtract 5. Now the way it carries over, I need to do the co-digit one less. So I have 4 here. I press that 4, I get 5. Now you ignore this leading 1, again, because that's the product of addition. So you're doing addition to get subtraction. So let's do something bigger. Let's do 500. And I want to take 500 and I want to subtract 444. So I'm going to go to the co-digits here, and I'm going to do 443 as we talked about before, and you get 56 as the result. So it's an interesting way of going about doing subtraction, where it gets really interesting if you want to do, let's say, multiplication. So let's say I want to take something that would be easy for us to calculate. 222, so I put it across 3 fingers, times 3. So right now it's currently at 0, so I hit this 3 times. And you get 666 for that multiplication factor. If I want to do 122 times 4, I just do it 4 times, and you get 488. So that's how you do multiplication. Now division is where it gets really interesting, and that's what I learned today, and I want to show because it's really fun. So let me see if I can get this right. I'll make sure I'm cleared out, and I'm going to do 1,500 and 632. So 1,500 or 15,632. I put it on the left side because we need to have room for the decimal places. Now, given I kind of know the answer already is going to be with 3 digits, I set the 3 digits with this decimal place slider here, so the rest of these will be decimal places. So we're going to do division by multiple subtractions, and I know it sounds really weird. So we're dividing by 85, so I want to use the smaller numbers and subtract 1. So I want to do 84. So this 8 and this 4. So I'm going to look at that first digit down there, and I see it's a 1. So I want to press this, or I'm sorry, it's a 0. Come look at this leading digit. I want to do that 0 times, so I just want to move over 1 set. I see a 1. Press that 1. The 2 numbers that are down here, 71 is smaller than 85, so I'm good. So I want to move over 1 more, and I see a 7 right there. So I'm going to do this 7 times. See how 8 pop up? I'm going to do it 1 more time. And I have 33, which is smaller than 85, so I'm going to move over. And I have, I'm trying to look at this while I'm doing it, I have a 3, so I'm going to do this 3 times. I have 77, which is still smaller than 85, so I'm going to move over. I have 7. I saw the 8 roll over, so I'm going to do the 8. And I now have 89, which is larger than 85, so I'm going to press it 1 more time, and I'm going to move over. I have 0, so I move 1 more over. I have 5, so I'm going to do 5 times, like so. And 75 is smaller, so I'm going to come over and do 7 times. And 8 popped up. I'm going to do the 8. And we have 870. And if I come over, we're missing 1 over here, so I'm going to try to do this one 7 times. Like so. And the actual number, if you use a calculator, should be 183.905882. We have 183.905877. Round it over because I'm missing that last row of digits. But that's how you do division with an adding machine. So I'm doing division with a 100-year-old piece of equipment. How awesome is that? Hopefully you learned something new today. Thanks for watching.